Story Dude the Greedy Frog and the friendship between Rio and Dude the Greedy Frog. In a very sandy and cool forest, there lived a frog named Dude. Dude, very famous for his gluttony. He never finishes his food and is very careless. It was a bright morning. Dude was walking. He was going around the forest looking for his friends. At the time, there was a white dove perched on one of the tree branches, whistling very melody.
Where my friends are not visible at all in this corner of the forest?
After getting tired of walking around the forest, Dude finally sat down near a rock. Suddenly, a bird fell in front of his body. The bird asked Dude, and Dude was shocked.
Are you dreaming?
Oh, I'm looking for my friends.
The two of them chatted very happily. The rise of sunlight in the morning complemented the closest between the two of them.
Who are you and what are you doing in the forest?
I'm Poppy. I'm looking for food. I'm really hungry.
Poppy the bird and Dude continued their respective activities while walking through the forest. Suddenly, Dude was surprised with a happy face. He saw a lot of food scattered around, including apples, banana, and raspberry. Dude rushed and ran as fast as he could to eat the food. With his greed, Dude immediately ate all the food. He was so happy that he could eat it all by himself, even though his stomach had grown bigger. He immediately left the place without cleaning up the remains that were still scattered around.
Yummy, yummy, delicious.
After Dude left the place, suddenly Pipit came. He was a monkey. He was Dude's close friend. Pipit was shocked that the forest yard was full of food waste. Pipit had already guessed who else it was if it wasn't Dude. Pipit immediately cleaned up and continued his journey. Suddenly, Pipit met the tortoise snails. They looked careful. They chatted as usual. Pipit said that Dude was acting up again about the food he never finished and leaving it without cleaning it. The sun was starting to set. They went back to their nest. It was starting to get evening. The atmosphere was very quiet. The moonlight was very beautiful and the stars started up there. Tonight there were many animals that were roaming around. The bright morning sunlight added to the warmth of the forest. The residents began to arrive according to their respective activities. There are turtles sitting relaxed, chatting with other animals. There are dudes who are walking around breathing fresh air in the morning.
The air is so cool in this morning.
I feel like I can go around while cleaning the forest yard, saying nails and relaxing in the afternoon.
Hey, Sparrow, where were you yesterday? I was looking for you.
They played together while waiting for their friends Nile, who never appeared in front of them. They huddled together, playing while laughing out loud. Pipit saw Cuckoo step from the corner. he called Cuckoo, so he could immediately come over to the two of them and spend time together. They played together like normal day. They laughed out loud. They laughed at things they thought were funny. In between, they talked Dude smelled the smell of food. Dude's sense of smell was very sharp when it came to food.
Hey, look like someone left food. Let's eat.
Dude immediately approached the food. Pipit warned Dude not to be greedy and eat carelessly.
Watch out for the food being stale and infested with lots of fleas.
It seems like Dude ignored his friend's orders. Dude ate everything even though the food had lots of fleas in it. In the end, Dude felt excruciating pain because of the food he ate.
Oh, my stomach hurts so much.
Luckily, the dove saw Dude, who was in pain, and gave Dude medicine.
This is the result if you are greedy and don't pay attention to the food you eat.
Yes, Poppy, I won't be greedy and careless anymore.
Since the incident, Dude is no longer greedy and always pays attention to what he eats. The friendship between Rio and Dion. Rio and Dion, best friend in the Green City. The star, the devil of preparation before going on an adventure.
Wow, it's so sunny this morning. Rio, ready for today's adventure?
Ready, boss. I can't wait to conquer the road terrain again.
Every morning, they explore the forest to the hills. The fresh morning air makes their adventure fun. Dion saw a litter of deer cubs. He trembled with fear and got stuck in a pile of wood. But Dion had trouble because the pile of wood was not small. Rio helped Dion and did it together.
Don't be afraid, we will help you.
We can do it together, Dion.
Dion pondered for a moment, looking for a wiser way. He took a rope from his equipment bag. Then he used it to tie the wood one by one. Eventually, the vow was free.
We need a strategy. Use your strength careful. We pull the wood one by one.
I can do it.
Dion nodded in agreement and they began working together. However, the wood remained difficult to move. Rio was exhausted, his voice sounding like he was panting. His thick tires were digging into the ground, but he was giving up.
Don't ruin yourself, Rio.
I can do it.
That day became a valuable lesson for Rio and Dion. Rio realized that the power is not everything. Instead, it must be combined with patience and strategy.
Thank you, Dion. You have shown me the meaning of patience.
Hahaha, you could be Rio.
The vow jumped for joy, as if taking them.
I learned something today. Big power also requires smarts and teamwork.
Dion looked laughing at Rio. Dion advised Rio to be smarter in dealing with problems.
You always been true, Rio.
I'll keep that in mind. Thank you very much, Dion.
But remember use English too.
The next day, they explore another part of the forest, answer with an excited echo sound.
Ready for a new adventure?
Ready, let's go.
On the way, they hear a whimpering sound and turned out to be a rabbit stuck in a narrow hole in the ground. Dion immediately got off the rion and approached the little rabbit.
Hey, take it easy. We helped you out.
That's right. Don't be afraid.
Rio approached the rabbit slowly, so that the rabbit would not be frightened, and gave advice to Dion.
Dion, we can use a small branch to dig the soil around the rabbit's feet.
Wow, that's good idea.
Dion agreed with Rio's suggestion, and Dion took a branch from near the tree. Dion dug slowly to get the rabbit out.
I thought I will never get out of that wall.
We're happy to help.
That's right. So don't hesitate if you need use.
Thank you.
Dion and Rio continued their journey. Not far from the previous place, they saw a sparrow that was confused and restless.
It looks like the sparrow is missing something.
Let's approach her. Maybe we can help her.
Dion and Rio came over and asked what was going on. Sparrow replied in a sad tone.
Hi, how can we help you?
My children are missing. I don't know where they are.
We will help you, so don't worry.
Rio came up with an idea on how to help the sparrow. Dion accepted Rio's suggestion. They started looking for the children of the sparrow, and in the end, they found the sparrow children. It was long before Dion found the children of the sparrow.
Dion, how about we search from the top of the wheel? From there, we can see more.
I agree. Let's look for you. It's your children. They in that nest.
Wow, that's right. My children wait for mom.
The mother sparrow was happy and touched, saying a big thank you to Rio and Dion.
Thank you so much. You are truly a lifesaver.
You're welcome. We're happy to help.
Yes, there is no need to be shy. If you need something, just say it later.
It was late afternoon when Rio and Dion decided to go home. They were very happy to help their new friends in the forest.
We learned a lot today, Rio. We are not only strong and brave, but we can also bring good to others. Careful in the first.
That's right, Dion. I feel like we're unsung heroes, Dion. Ha 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 ha.
Rio said that today or tomorrow it was a great day for Dion and Rio. Rio also learned the true meaning of power, the power to help.
I'm so proud of you, Rio. You're the best friend of all time.
Ha 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 ha. Thank you, Dion. Yes, Dion, I'm happy we could help, and I understand more and more that strength is not just about power, but also about the will to help with all your heart.
Dion love Rio very much with great care and loving to Rio.
Thank you, Rio. You always been my best friend.
I thank you too, Dion. Without you, I would have been able to do everything. We're a great team.
Dion wanted to know about Rio's next adventure. Rio also answered gently and cared for his best friend.
The adventure will never end, right, Rio?
Absolutely not, Dion.
After a day of adventure and many exciting stories, Dion and Rion stopped at a meadow. They looking up at the night sky. It was beautiful to look at and the wine was cold.
Oh, beautiful.
Yes, this night was peaceful. The forest become a very beautiful place when we can share kindness in it.
We are great team, Rio. I love exploring the world with you.
Me too, Dion. Adventures with a best friend like you make everything more meaningful.
They had a good laugh together. Rio also asked and was curious about tomorrow. Dion laughed a little.
Dion, who else do you think will meet in this forest?
I don't know, Rio. One thing is for sure. Whoever it is, we will be ready to help them.
They both rested and went to bed. They said goodnight grateful.
Good night, Dion. I can't wait for the next adventure. Well, Surel, find new friend who need your help.
The end of their adventure, Dion and Rio feel their close friendship and everything fitting moment. A shooting star as they lay on the grass.
Maybe this is a sign that our next adventure will be more exciting.
It's amazing. I can't wait for our next story.
Dion, an affectionate young man, and Rio, a powerful motorcycle with a unique design, are two inseparable friends. Every morning, they embark on an adventure in the green. Oh, however, their journey is not just about enjoying the scenery, but also facing challenges together. From rescue and trapping fowl to helping a sparrow who has lost their chicks, their adventure teaches the importance of cooperating and caring for others. In the midst of the story, another story emerges that is no less exciting. But the greedy frog who learns the meaning of good habit thanks to his friend. Pipit the monkey, Cuckoo the turtle, and Poppy the bird sat in the same forest. Dud faced the consequence of his action and grows wiser. Both stories are not only entertaining but also provide valuable lessons about friendship, responsibility, and protecting nature. Are you ready to follow Rio and Dion adventures and the valuable lesson? Let's dive into the inspiring world.